Okay, so my first...
I'm very interested and I really want to know how you do your hair like that.
Hey everyone, what is up and welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you my 5 go-to hairstyles. Like this video and want to see more, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you recreate any of these looks, please I will leave my Instagram down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. For the first style, it's just going to be my soft waves. I washed my hair this morning and I let it air dry. And now I'm going to go in with my Way Memory Mist. I'm going to curl it about halfway, not a full turn, and stop. It's a bit curlier than I like. Curl. So I'm going to start over here with my bangs. Turn halfway down, let go. Next piece, take a pretty thick chunk, turn halfway down, let go. So I'm taking probably about a 1-inch section, turning down, let go. Some underneath pieces, I don't like sectioning it just because it takes longer and then I feel like I have to curl every single piece of my hair. When I do it like this, I feel like it just blends. Caviar Omega Anti-Frizz Dry Oil Mist. And this way. And then to even more soften it, I just like to brush through from right to end. Shake it out. That is my soft, subtle waves. Okay, so for my next hairstyle, I like to do this usually on day 2 or day 3 when my hair just isn't looking the best. You'll need an elastic, some bobby pins, and go from my eyebrows back, join the hair all the way in the back like so, and then I just twist. I like to go in and mess it all up. I like pulling it out at the top, the sides, turn around to the back, and pull out my bun to make it look thicker. Okay, so for my third hairstyle, this one has to be my most requested. I wear this style at least once a week. I only like to wash my hair about 2 times a week. This style usually works on 3rd day, 4th day hair. This is my Dutch braid to 2 buns. So it's the same as a French braid, but instead of going inwards, the braid, it's kind of sticking out, if that makes sense. My middle part is never perfect. And just securing it. So I like to take this triangle top section right here and I split it into 3 sections. With a French braid, you braid over, but with this one, we are going to braid underneath. So grab a section, under, so the outside pieces are always going under. And then after I've braided about 2 or 3 times, I like to grab a section from that outer piece, go under, and again, a bit from the outer piece, and under. This hairstyle gets easier as you go along. Oh, when I get to this area, I like to brush it up just because I don't like having weird bumpies there. So again, outer section, under. Brush it up. And then grab that into the outer section and it goes under. Outer piece, under. Top triangle piece, over, under, under. Secure that again with an elastic. And then here comes the thumb. So I'm going to pull apart my braid. So just keep pulling. And the dirtier your hair is, the more texture and the more you'll be able to pull it out. And then just because I don't like having too many ponytails in my hair, you could just wrap it around if you want, but I'm just going to take out the elastic, grab it again, and just do a messy bun. So you're grabbing over, pulling, not pulling it through, and again. Until you have your messy bun. And same thing to the other side. Take that out. I just like to pin these. Pull them out a little bit more, tighten them. And pull some hairs out around the front. This is by far my favorite hairstyle. It's my #1 go-to. Okay, so for the next one, it's pretty much just hairstyle, so I'm not going to go over it again, but it is going to be 1 bun at the nape of the neck instead of 2. Here, this one, I am going to use 2 elastics because it is a bigger bun. So I like to just pull it through, back comb again. This time I like to twist and secure. And then I like to just go in and okay, so for my final look, it is going to be what I tend to wear on the last day of my hair. Fairly sleek, low bun, and because I love braids, threw a little braids on top. So I like to take out right from in front of my ears, up and out. I like to take out these sections of hair and then gather the rest at the nape of the neck. I like to keep out not as big a section as I did before, probably just to keep that out, and the rest I'm going to braid back. So now with this, you can't just start braiding down because then when you pull your hair back, the braid just won't fit properly. So I'm gonna do Dutch braids just because I like the texture of it being outwards. So I'm going under, 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 and then I'm going to start incorporating hair now. So go under. Once I get to the ear, that's as far as I can go, and then I just continue on braiding. But because I did a Dutch braid, I have to stick with the braiding under instead of over technique. So I did have tiny elastics, but I think Zach threw them out. They were stuck in the bag. So I'm just going to secure it while I mess it up with a bobby pin. And we are just going to pull at the braid. You would kind of want to do this before you put the elastic on anyways, especially one of those tight plastic elastics, because those really grip the hair and it makes this process much more difficult. Okay, so we're just going to leave this for now. We're going to go to the other side, and again, keep a tiny chunk out. Okay, so 3, under, under. And go in and pull it apart. So you want to pull on every strand individually. Don't pull too hard, you don't want to pull your whole strand out. Just going to twist it all over. Okay, now we are going to take our 2 sections and put it downwards, sort of going into the bun. Over top. So you might like this like sleek, tight hairstyle. I personally like my hair a little bit more messy, so I'm going to go in and mess it up. I'm going to pull at my bun. Make it nice and messy. I'm also going to pull and then I like to pull out a little bit more pieces just right around my ears. And go back in, and now that this braid is secure, I like to go in and just make it even more messy. Okay, well, thank you all for watching. That was my go-to hairstyles. I am so excited and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye.
Crew. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.